Okay, so this was the 8th of August workshops. We started off with a travelling return mambo, so we step away to the left-hand side. Travelling return, we collect our partner and we're stepping forwards for the men, back for the ladies. We're going to do 3 of those mambo steps, 1, 2 and 3. Get out of the way, bring your partner through, lower the left hand and stay across the slot at this point here. The men are going to lead your partner straight forwards, transfer the ladies' hand from your left into your right. Got that lovely position for the ladies. Turn the ladies round, we stay on that centre slot, ready for the cone duck under. So you turn the ladies round, place the hand onto the shoulder, do a little bit of choreography if you wish. Ladies do the hip roll if you want. We catch man's left to ladies right. Into the back hand with walk around. We step in, lower this right hand, collect on the ladies' left hip, right hand comes up and round. Release this right hand at this point. Ladies, you're doing your little walks. We step away and we catch man's left to ladies' right. So this was part 2. So we started off with our whips, so left to right, lead your partner away and step out to the side. Travel and return again. This time we're going to block our partner. The 3 points to remember: step away from the partner, step on the whole beat, and you look where you're going. Ladies, you've got your feet together. At this point, you're going to step through the gap with your right foot. So we step across, look where you're going. We twist our partners out. Now we're going into the slingshot overturn. So you lower this left hand, turn the thumb to the floor as we come round.
So ladies, we're going to walk left, right, left, and then we step onto the right foot. We're going to do a ronde with arm and leg all the way around to face. Men are holding a nice steady left arm to give you some balance. We then transferred the weight forwards onto the left leg, and we did a little bit of styling. So we went jump, jump, opening our shoulders out and taking the arm out to the side. We then slowly turned under the arm, twisted round, and then came round to face and step away. We also did an alternative version in the spot turn. So if the music was a bit funky, we might want to block and do some hip hops or something here that's a little bit more poppy or funky, depending on the music.
Last move then, moving on to the left-handed cone with the knees. You turn the ladies round, left elbow towards us at the front, left hand up and over the top. Slide the hand through, collect behind the back. Going into this lean. Okay, you stand the ladies back up, travel and return as you step out. And that was the end of part 2. So the last part then started off with the shoulder spring, so right to right, lead your partner away, step back, turn the ladies round, we're coming all the way around. Now remember, you need to men step slightly away from your partner across the slot, so the ladies should be able to kick forwards at this point and not kick the man. Men are now going to pivot around, take your right shoulder back, left hand goes up and over the top. Pull back gently to free spin. We're catching man's right to ladies right, step into return. Now we go on to a normal sway. So we go out to the left hand side. Lower the right hand down, collect our partner, do a brace the whole hip. Forwards we go. We step to the right, pivot round, transfer our weight away from our partner. You're then going to step towards your partner as you lower this right hand, let go. Left hand nice and high, the ladies will come round. Remember, our L shape. You want to make sure the ladies are in front of your right foot at this point here, men. Right hand brings ladies towards ladies' hug with your right foot.
Ladies, we've also got our feet together and we're taking that step back on the right foot, transferring all your weight onto your right foot and sliding the left leg away as you open out your arm and look down your arm.
So we're going to move as one, so we step and lean, and we stand the ladies up, twisting out, and we finished with a slingshot. Thank you very much for doing the workshop. We'll see you again soon.